Hello Petal and welcome to today's video. Today I'm doing the results for the day 1 giveaway and I'm also starting day 2 giveaway today. But that'll be at the end of this video. I've got hiccups, sorry. So there was a comment, an interesting one on last video, and it was that the Laffy Taffy had jokes on the back, so I looked at the back of these and they do have jokes on the back that I didn't realise they do. So, sorry, I'm going to be hiccuping all video. So the first joke is, what is a tree's favourite drink? The answer is root beer. I didn't get that for a second. Okay, the next one is, what does a dinosaur come out of a... How does a dinosaur come out of a pool? The answer is wet. That wasn't that funny. Okay, and this one we've got... Sorry, I got hiccups. Where does Scrooge go to in New York City? The Empire State Building. What did the cake say to the candle? You're burning my back. Okay, those ones aren't that funny. Okay, now the cherry ones. How many vampires does it take to put in a light bulb? None. Vampires like the dark. Well, they do like the dark, it's true. But I think they use lights as well, wouldn't they? And the last joke is, what is the best way to keep... What? Hold on. There's a crease in it. What is the best way to keep water from running? Don't pay the water bill. Okay. That's an interesting set of jokes. I didn't realise they had jokes on the back, so to the person who pointed that out and commented it, that person was the one who won the 1,000 credits for the day 1 giveaway. Day 2 giveaway is also another IMVU giveaway, but it's just going to be like 2 gifts to 2 people. So if you want that in credits, it's 1,200. So you can get 1,200 credits, or you can get 2 gifts. That's up to you. So comment your name in the comments. Make an interesting comment about the jokes if you want, or suggestions about day 3 giveaway or any of the other days. And hopefully you like my dealy boppers as well. They're heavier than they look because my head keeps rocking with them. And it doesn't help that I got hiccups. I think they're gone now though. So, the video's not very long at the moment. I can't think of what else to do on it. I hope you enjoyed the video and the jokes. If you have any jokes, you can comment them in the comments description. That's what can be like the competition thing. Write a joke in the comments and the best joke for day 2 will be getting 1,200 credits or 2 gifts. 2 people. So I'll pick 2 people. Day 2, 2 people. So that's how the giveaways are going to go. For day 3 it'll be 3, day 4 it'll be 4, and so on. Just trying to explain it more. So write a joke in the comments section for the day 2 Christmas giveaways, and the best 2 jokes. Oh, don't forget to put your name as well. Or I can message you and then you can tell me your name for me to message you on IMVU. So write your best comment and your name the best joke will win this prize this week. The winner of last week, I can't remember the name now. Hold on. Sorry, I've got a bit of a sore throat. Okay, so the person who made the comment about the Laffy Taffy jokes is... I'm not sure, I can't find her. I'm just going through the comments now. There is, I think it's Summer Roetherford. Sorry, I don't know how to pronounce your name, I'm terrible with names. Or I can just call her xxpuppetfacexx for her IMVU name. So I liked your comment, I thought it was good. She commented about the Laffy Taffy having jokes on the back, so she's the winner of the day 1 giveaway. Day 2, write your best joke, and the best 2 people with the best 2 jokes get the day 2 prizes, 2 gifts each, or 1200 in credits. I just have to try and make it clear because some people don't understand it all the time. So hopefully that's clear. I look forward to reading some of your jokes. Any that make me laugh will be getting a little tick on them. So if it's got a little like from me or others, you can like other comments as well, push them to the top, help them try and win something if you like their jokes. I think that's all. I can't really think of anything else to say at the moment. Make them understandable, because I don't really understand complicated jokes. Also, keep the jokes clean, like GA rated. I don't want any adult rated content jokes on my page, because one thing, I don't understand them, and I don't find them funny either. So hopefully there'll be some good jokes. I'll read a few out in the next video. I'm not very good with my own jokes, so I just read all the jokes off the back of these that were suggested in the comments in the last video. So hopefully you enjoyed day 2. It's just mainly me talking about jokes and things. I do like jokes, they're alright. And sorry about my hiccups in the beginning of the video. They are gone now, so sorry about that. I can't think of what else to say. I'm just trying to think what other giveaways to do as well in the meantime, so comment any other suggestions you have for giveaways. If you've got the idea of how I'm running it now, day 2 is 2 people, 2 things, day 3 it'll be 3 things for 3 people, and etc. until we get to 12 days for 12 people. There may be a little break in between some of the giveaways at some point, because the 12 days of Christmas doesn't start until like the 15th, I think it is, but I'm not sure. Sorry about my daily boppers moving around a lot. What else was I going to do for this video? I'm not sure what else I was going to do. There's not a lot to do. I'm just trying to think, really. I hope you enjoyed this video anyway. It's kind of just general talking and updating and explaining the giveaways more. So I hope you understand it more. So comment what you like for a future giveaway. Sorry about the sound if it doesn't, what do you call it? If it doesn't actually sync with my mouth movements, because sometimes it doesn't, and it's because I'm using whatever's built into my laptop. I do need a new mic and a new camera, and probably go record on my other computer in the other room, which would probably be better quality, because at the moment I'm just on my laptop balanced on my knee, because it's the only mic and camera I have. I have looked into others, but I'm not sure where to get them from. These daily boppers are kind of heavy. I hope you like them. Someone bought me them for Christmas, Just, I don't know if it was as a joke or what, but I do like them. It's my type of thing to wear. I have other things as well, so usually other hair accessories, Christmas related things. I just like these for this video today. Because 2 Dealy Boppers, 2 baubles, they are like baubles. So I'll just show them real quick. Wow, they're heavy. So it's just like a little tinsel on a band. And the Dealy Boppers. A bit of tinsel on there as well. I like them, they're good. If I would give away something like this in real life, if I could, I would. Also, I want your opinion on opening a PO box. I've seen other people do it, so I may do that in the future. Not anytime soon. Not this year, at least. But if you're interested in me opening a PO box, you can comment about that in the comments. I may do that. I think that's all for this video, so I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like. I'll put a little subscriber thing up here. So, like, share with your friends, subscribe if you haven't already. I'll put the thing up there. And I think that's all. Don't forget to comment on the things I've said to comment on. Bye!